Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're a diver seeking the ultimate in underwater tech but frustrated with dive computers that lack robust mapping, have limited battery for extended trips, or don't integrate seamlessly with your surface activities, then get thrilled because today we're submerging into a premium powerhouse. It's the Garmin Descent X50i premium dive computer. This touchscreen marvel is leak-proof to extreme depths, offers advanced air integration, and doubles as a multisport smartwatch with full color maps and health tracking. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want unparalleled dive safety, detailed logs, and all-day wearability for adventures above and below, this is the device that'll elevate your explorations to pro levels. Let's break it down and see why it's a decent must-have in 2026. First, the feature breakdown on the Garmin Descent X50i premium dive computer. This is a high-end dive computer with a 1.4-inch sapphire touchscreen that's bright and responsive even in gloves or wet conditions, housed in a 51mm titanium case with a silicone band for durability and comfort. It's rated to 200 meters water resistance with a leak-proof inductive button design for reliable operation at depth. For diving, it supports single and multi-gas modes, including nitrox and trimix, with air integration via SubWave sonar to monitor tank pressure from up to 8 transmitters wirelessly. It features decompression models with safety stops, ascent rate alerts, and dive planning tools like no-fly time calculations. The battery lasts up to 30 hours in dive mode or 26 days in smartwatch mode, with solar charging options to extend it further in sunlight. Topside, it has built-in GPS with full-color topo and road maps for navigation, ABC sensors for altimeter, barometer, and compass, and over 30 sports profiles for running, swimming, biking, and hiking, with metrics like VO2 max and training load. Health monitoring includes all-day heart rate, pulse ox for oxygen saturation, respiration rate, advanced sleep tracking with scores, and body battery for energy monitoring. Smart features include notifications, Garmin Pay for payments, music storage, and the Garmin Dive app for logging dives, analyzing gas usage, and sharing with buddies. Priced around $999, it's built for pros with no subscription for core functions. Versatility is incredible. Plan technical dives with gas switches, log free dives with apnea mode, then use it for trail running with maps or daily wear with notifications. It's a true one-watch solution for land and sea. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are descending strong. Leak-proof design with inductive buttons for reliable deep water use, advanced air integration for wireless tank monitoring and safety alerts, long battery life with solar boost for multi-day adventures, comprehensive multisport and health tracking for full lifestyle insights, and rugged titanium build with bright screen for visibility in any environment. Users love the peace of mind from real-time data, the accurate GPS for surface recovery, and how it seamlessly blends dive logging with fitness. It's intuitive, durable, and helps optimize dive plans and recovery. On the con side, the 51mm size can feel large on smaller wrists. No built-in cellular, so smart features rely on your phone. The touchscreen might need calibration for glove use, and some note the price is high for recreational divers, though most say it's justified for advanced users. Overall, pros dominate for serious divers. My recommendation? Absolutely go for the Garmin Descent X50i premium dive computer if you dive often, and the pros like leak-proof reliability, air integration, and multi-sport versatility make sense for you. It's ideal for technical divers, explorers, or athletes wanting one device for extreme depths and daily life. Before we wrap, if these reviews get your dives descending, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a dive pal, or subscribe for more. See you next time.